Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Glimmering Mutation in Grow a Garden new Very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Very update has just dropped, and in this update, you will be able to get Glimmering Mutation. And to get the mutation, you need to join the Very event, which happens every hour. So every hour you can join Grow a Garden and you will get this Glimmering Mutation. Okay, and then after you get the mutation, you can collect the glimmering mutation fruit, and then you can submit to the very fountain here. For example, it needs or it requires the glimmering corn, so make sure that you plant a lot of corns on your garden, so when the glimmering mutation is coming, you will be able to get the mutated corn. Yeah, basically you just need to join the very event and you will get the glimmering mutation, and the event will last in 5 minutes. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get glimmering mutation in Grow a Garden new very update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.